Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things culinary. Today, we're diving into a product that's been creating quite a buzz in the spicy food scene. This right here is the Conimex Sambal Oelek chili paste, touted by many as the best Sambal Oelek chili sauce available in the market. Let's find out why. Before we get into the details, let's talk about what makes Sambal Oelek special. It's a traditional Indonesian chili paste known for its vibrant flavor and versatility in cooking. Whether you're looking to add a fiery kick to your stir-fries, soups, or marinades, Sambal Oelek does it all. Now, what sets Conimex apart? Well, first off, it's all about the ingredients. Conimex uses high-quality red chili peppers, giving this paste its authentic spicy punch. It's not just about the heat. There's a depth of flavor here that enhances any dish without overpowering it. That's good. You can taste the freshness of the chilies right away. It's got a nice balance of heat and tanginess, perfect for those who enjoy a bit of spice in their meals. Let's talk versatility. One of the reasons why I love this product is its versatility. From a simple dipping sauce to mixing it into mayo for a spicy sandwich spread, or even using it as a base for a marinade, the possibilities are endless. I'm just whipping up a quick stir-fry here using the Conimex Sambal Oelek. Watch how easily it blends in, adding that perfect amount of heat and flavor to the dish. Packaging-wise, it comes in a convenient jar that keeps the paste fresh for a long time. Plus, it's easy to store in your pantry or fridge, ready to use whenever you need that extra kick. So, where can you get your hands on this amazing chili paste? It's readily available on Amazon and other online platforms, making it accessible for everyone looking to spice up their cooking game. Overall, the Conimex Sambal Oelek chili paste truly lives up to its reputation as one of the best in the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook experimenting with flavors, I highly recommend giving this a try. That's all for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy cooking!